Hey guys, we're back with another exciting giveaway news for you, courtesy of Magix and Chip. You can now claim a free copy of Magix Movie Studio Deluxe 2024 through this giveaway. In this promotion, Magix has teamed up with the German technology website Chip to offer you a free subscription to Magix Movie Studio Deluxe 2024. Chip is a trusted source for news, reviews, and downloads for software, hardware, and all things tech-related. We'll also verify the subscription on the official Magix website to confirm if it's genuinely from them or just spam. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open up your favorite browser and head to the official giveaway page from Chip. Then, what you need to do is simply enter any email address in the box and claim your free subscription. Oh, one thing to note. The page is in Czech, but if you don't understand the language, you can use Google Translate to help you out. After entering your email, solve the CAPTCHA if prompted, and then click Send an Email. Now, check your inbox. You'll receive your free subscription. Next, let's verify this subscription on the official Magix website on magix.com. Choose your language on Magix website. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Download Center option. To verify your subscription, enter the code from the email into the box and click Proceed. As you can see, the key has been successfully verified by Magix. You're now allowed to download the software directly from the official page. If necessary, change the application language to your preferred one, and then download the installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions. If you don't want to install additional software, just uncheck those options, then click Agree and Install. Alright, let's fast forward the installation, shall we? At last, the installation is successfully complete. Now let's open the app and configure it for the first time. Next, activate your subscription inside the app. Since I don't have a Magix account yet, I'll register for a new one. On the next page, enter your personal information, set a password for your account, and complete the registration. And that's it. You're all set up now. You can enjoy all the full features of Magix Movie Studio 2024 absolutely free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.